Tiens. Your interest and curiosity are about to pay off. Finding Tiens is the first step to transforming your life and that of your family. We all look for a perfect lifestyle, which involves no money worries, no stress, and plenty of holidays. But finding a way to achieve all your dreams can seem impossible. But I'm here to tell you that it's not. Achieving your dreams is not only possible, joining Tiens will give you a route map to making them reality. You're about to be introduced to a unique business opportunity that can be run from the comfort of your own home on a part-time or full-time basis. Like everything in life, you get out what you put in. So I'm here to share with you how you can take full advantage of this opportunity in order to secure greater rewards. As a Tiens business talent, we support you every step of the way, so that you can assuredly progress and unlock your money-making potential. How quickly you do this is entirely up to you, but we've designed a reward package that will inspire and encourage you from the outset. All you need to do is two things. 1. Share this amazing business opportunity with others. By introducing people to Tiens who become part of your team, you can increase your earning potential. 2. Promote Tiens' unique health products, which have combined the latest biotechnological research with 5,000 years of traditional Chinese medicine. Each product is produced only from the highest quality, naturally sourced raw materials and minerals. Are you ready to find out how you can do this? Okay. At Tiens, we have 15 different ranks that you can achieve, and each one opens up more lucrative opportunities. Starting with the basic ranks, which are star rated, you can build up volume points, which will allow you to gain entry into the next level. Depending on how much work you put in, you can work through these ranks quickly. The honorary ranks at the top, from Bronze Lion to Honorary Director, unlock the highest levels of reward and can be genuinely life-changing. There are also 8 ways to build an income through Tiens. As you can see here, there are 2 complementary areas. The first we call enrollment sales, and this happens every time you or one of your team introduce someone new to your network. Sponsor bonuses, development bonuses, and coaching bonuses are paid every week. The second we call repeat sales. Now this happens every time you or your team order more Tiens products. Sales bonuses, leadership bonuses, and excellence bonuses are paid monthly. Let's look at the final 2 ways that you can earn money with Tiens' reward package. The first is through something called global profit sharing. Now, when you're talking about having a share of the company's profits, these are likely to be really large sums of money. The amount is based on your team's total accumulated points for the period, and it's paid monthly. To qualify for profit sharing, you will need to achieve one of the prestigious honorary ranks. The last incentive is the special awards, given to the highest performers up to $195,000. Again, to qualify for this, you will need to achieve one of the honorary ranks. This is where you can look forward to receiving a dream holiday, a prestige car, or even a luxurious sun-soaked villa. We'll look at the bonuses in more detail, but for the moment, let's get you started. Tiens offers 4 different joining packages. There's Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Each package and product has an assigned point value, PV, and bonus value, BV. When you join Tiens, you can choose the level of joining that suits you. If you choose a Bronze joining package, you are credited with 100 BVs. If you choose a Silver, it's 200 BVs. By selecting Gold, you receive 400 BVs, and with Platinum, you receive a whopping 800 BVs. Now this is important, because it's by accumulating points value, PV, and bonus value, BV, that you can build up your income. You can see that if you or your team were to select Platinum joining package, you would start building up BV credits very quickly, As a new sign-up, you'll receive a starter kit, virtual or hard copy containing essential business information, access to Tien's online services, your own website, a selection of top-selling products. Now that's great news, but here's another great fact. Silver, gold and platinum joining packages offer preferential discounts for you to reorder products. If you choose a silver joining package, you have a 5% discount. Gold joining packages have 8%, and platinum joining packages have 15% discount off our distributor prices. This means that if you're a platinum distributor wishing to purchase products values at 100 PV, you actually pay 85 PV. If the retail price of that stock is 135 PV, you've made $50. If you were to do that just 3 times a week, you'll have an income of $600. In other words, you can expect bigger profit margins with a platinum joining package. But that's not all. If you introduce people to Tien's and they become part of your team, you can also earn sponsor bonuses if they take out a joining package. The bonus varies depending upon the package they choose, as you can see here. With bronze, it's 8%. With platinum, it's 15%. Okay, so as I promised, let's go back to those 8 ways to make money. To become eligible for a sponsor bonus, you need to invite people to join your team and help them select their own joining package. Let's look at an example. Here's Tony. He's a platinum distributor. He's introduced Emily and Jeff. They both decide to go for the platinum joining package, which is worth 800 BVs each. Let's see how Tony's sponsor bonus is worked out. For platinum, the sponsor bonus rate is 15%. So, for introducing 2 new distributors, Tony's bonus is calculated at 2 times 800 times 15%, which is $240. And don't forget, sponsor bonuses are paid weekly. This, however, is just the start of it. By taking out a distributorship with Tien's, both Emily and Jeff are able to introduce people themselves. You can see that Tony is starting to develop a network and will become entitled to the development bonus. This happens when Tony has at least 2 structures to his network. Let's say that Dean and Heather have also joined his first-level team, and each of them have started introducing people themselves. Within a short time, Tony has a large accumulated BV in each of his 4 structures. The development bonus is worked out by matching 2 structures. Here you see that Emily has the largest structure, which is worked out according to total BV achieved. Second largest is Jeff, with Dean and Heather in 3rd and 4th. The development bonus is worked out by using the second largest BV total, 40,000 BV, and multiplying it by the platinum development bonus rate, which is 11%. You can see that the rates are different for bronze, silver and gold. That means that Tony's development bonus for the week would be $4,400. Again, this is paid weekly with a $5,000 cap per match. There's another step to matching which allows you to earn even more money. This time, Tony matches his largest structure, which was Emily's, with his 3rd largest structure, which belongs to Dean. The BV total left in Emily's structure, 10,000 BV, is multiplied by the second matching figure, which in this case is 12%. That works out at $1,200. Dean's unmatched BV will now be 20,000. The final match happens with the 3rd and 4th largest structures. Dean's 20,000 BV is multiplied by 12% to get $2,400. In this example, there are no carried forward BVs. Therefore, the total development bonus after 3 matches is $8,600. The development bonuses are starting to make your weekly income look very healthy indeed, and all you have to do is introduce people to Tien's. I mentioned that Emily and Jeff are Tony's level 1 team. Well, very shortly afterwards, Emily introduces Brian, who also chooses a Platinum joining package. Brian becomes part of Tony's second-level team, along with others that Emily and Jeff introduced. Tony's coaching bonus is calculated by multiplying the individual's development bonus within Level 1 by 5%. If Tony had a lot of people in Level 1, this cash would add up very quickly. The coaching bonus kicks in for Silver and above. With Silver, you receive 5% of each person's development bonus down to 2 levels. With Gold, your 5% covers everyone in your network down to Level 3. With Platinum, you receive 5% of everyone's development bonus right down to Level 4, and that could be a lot of people. You're probably seeing a lot of advantages to being a Platinum distributor by now. The number of people that you can personally introduce is unlimited, so each level can be as wide and as profitable as you want to make it. Imagine what your income will look like if you personally introduced 40 or 50 people. Let's now take a look at the repeat sales incentives. The sales bonus will depend on your rank, the ranks of your team, and their accumulated BV. Let's use an example. If you achieve the rank of Silver Lion, your sales bonus percentage is 30%. You have 5 downlines in your team. 3 have an 8-star rank, we'll call them A, B, and C, and 2 have a 7-star rank, that's D and E. Their sales bonus percentage is also shown here. A, B, and C each have 10,000 BV, so we can calculate the sales bonus by multiplying their BV total by 5%, your percentage minus theirs. 30,000 times 5% equals $1,500. D and E each have 2,500 BV, so we can calculate the sales bonus by multiplying their BV total by 10%, your percentage minus theirs. 5,000 times 10% equals $500. That means your total sales bonus would be $2,000. This would be paid monthly. The next incentive is the leadership bonus, which is the money paid to you based on the accumulated points value across your downlines. Again, it depends upon the rank you and your team have achieved and the total volume of stock you've sold. Let's see an example. In this example, you are a Silver Lion. You have 3 people on Level 1 at 8-star rank. Their BV total is 3 times 800 equals 2,400. You also have 3 people at Level 2 with an 8-star rank. Their BV total is 2,100. So, your leadership bonus for the month would be 2% for Level 1 and 1.5% for Level 2. As you can see from this table, the leadership incentives increase as you progress through the ranks, giving you commission across more levels. Back to our example. As a Silver Lion, you would get 2,400 times 2% equals $48, plus 2,100 times 1.5% equals $31.50. In total, you would receive $79.50 leadership bonus for the month, and that's just for 4 people, and that's just one of 8 revenue streams. Imagine what you could receive if you had more people in your network. Finally, the excellence bonus is that which is paid to the highest ranks and is based on the total BV and PV accumulation across their network. It's above and beyond all of the other incentives and is paid at a standard 0.2% each month. It's the company's way of acknowledging excellent performance and extraordinary talent. We have already touched on the honorary bonus schemes involving profit sharing and special awards, and these give us additional ways to achieve almost unlimited earnings. Start your journey to success today. Take that first step to a life that you deserve.